Hey guys, quick explainer on some confusing things you might see in your Bosch oven, right? So if I turn this on at the wall, right? Now watch this. If I try and set the clock, it won't do anything. And that's really annoying, but it's because I've got the dials set. So if you look, these aren't actually set to 0. Now, if I put that up to 12 o'clock, then I can use it. The temperature doesn't matter. But just so you know, if that's beeping and you can't use the clock, that's why. I've got more videos on the Bosch oven, how to use it properly down below, and links there, so check those out. I'll see you there. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.